Not far from the male's home range, a female has come into estrus. Scent markers in her urine broadcast her willingness to mate. She waits patiently to see who will show up. Lured by her scent, the young male leaves his own home range to seek the pleasure of a female's company. Although she doesn't exactly react with joy to his arrival. The female will be receptive for a few days. If he is to breed with her, he needs to convince her that he's worthy of her attention. Her reluctance may be her way of evaluating his vigor as a male. And while a less dedicated male might give up and try elsewhere, this male is nothing if not persistent. Her hormones encourage his persistence. His strange grimace, called phlegmon, is his way of inhaling her hormone-laden scent, which kicks up his sex drive. His persistence is finally rewarded. Copulation lasts less than a minute. He'll stay with her for several days, mating repeatedly, perhaps as many as 50 to 70 times a day. Their mating completed, they managed to squeeze in a moment of domestic tranquility. 3 months have passed since the resident male mated with the female. Pregnant, she's denned up in an abandoned cave in order to give birth. Weighing less than a pound, the kittens are born blind and completely dependent upon their mother. She gives birth to a second kitten.